Okay, so yesterday I already showed you how you can do it if you want to have slits only in the front. So for this class today, we are going to be learning how to create pleats with it. So this is the wrong side of the dress and I've loosened the side seam. This is the front side and this is the wrong side of the dress that is facing up. So I'll bring out that thing that we already cut. Like I said earlier, the length is 24. The length is 24 and the width is 42 inches. Is it 42 or 43? The width is 42 inches. The length is 24 and the width is 42 inches. So bring out the bubble front side, and this is the wrong side of it that is facing up here. So what I will do, I'll place it like this. The right side of the one we want to use to create the pleat is going to be facing like this. So I will take to my machine now. I'm going to stitch here together just like this, and the other end I'm also going to bring it here. I'll just stitch it, like placing it directly on top of each other like this. I'll run my stitch here. So let me just pin it. So the right side of this lace is facing the wrong side of the dress itself. You can see from here that this lace is higher than where the slit is stopping somewhere here, but then this lace is a little more than where it's stopping. So that's the second side. Just place it directly on top of it and then you stitch together. So what I'll do first, I will go and hem the bottom part of my dress. So I'm going to hem the bottom part of the thing we are using to create the pleat also. I'm done hemming the lower part of the dress itself as well as the panel for the pleat. Next thing is just to stitch it together the way I have explained on the table earlier. But now everybody's supposed to know how to create this pleat because we like this pleat so much on this channel. So first off, you locate the center like this, then you match the center with the center joining, and then you pin. So once you get the center, it's just going to be like this. So you locate the center here again, you take it to the center, and you see, then locate the center again, take it to the center. Okay, so that will give you the width of your pleats. So that's how you use that width to continue to create the pleats. Okay, so once you are done, you iron it or you pin it, then you distribute the pleats equally to the both side. If you have 3 here, you have 3 here. If you have 4 here, you have 4 there. You get? So just distribute the pleats. Can you see? So I'm just going to pin it. Then I'll just take to my machine. I'll make my stitch here. Last thing now is just to close the side of our dress.
Okay, before closing the side, I
Okay, let me put
quickly
this thing.
added belt to the front so that by the time she wear the clothes, if she like, she can tie the belt at the back and make it look slim on her so that it can give her that waist snatching effect. That the belt is just a long belt. You can see from the video, just a normal long belt. You attach it to both sides and it's going to start at the underbust to the waistline. Okay, so the distance of the belt from each other is your nipple to nipple distance. Now that the belt has been installed, the last thing is just to close the side like I said earlier, and that will be the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Okay.
It shows better this way or how? Like this?
This is not picture I'm even taking. I'm making video. Well, you can turn around. This is fine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma. Is it possible to remove the belt? Like loosening the belt?
We are still videoing it.
Yes. I'll cut all those places.
If you remove the, did I say you don't specialize for editing? If you remove the belt, you don't go fine again.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. That's what the outside people like. So this is it without the belts. Thank you. Thank you so much.